What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Cubot P80. Wait, this is the Cubot P80 that I have reviewed a few months ago, and this one, yeah, I've been using this one. But Thea has always asked me that I should buy her a Cubot P80, and when I have noticed that Cubot has upgraded their P80 with 512GB of storage, I have got one for Thea. And you know what? Now Cubot has two new colors, the soft blue and pink. Yeah, these two are the new colors in addition to the old colors, I mean the blue, purple and black one. So we have bought three new Cubot P80, one light blue, one pink and another is a black one, which we are already using in this studio. Okay, before we start this review video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please go ahead, click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, this is P80 from Cubot, a new and upgraded edition of P80. At the back, they have actually printed all the specifications: 6.58 3-inch FHD Plus display panel. There is a 48 megapixel main sensor, 24 megapixel front camera. Well, this Cubot P80 comes with MediaTek Helio P60, which is a very capable SoC. This one comes with a 5200 mAh battery and definitely has a Type-C port, but more importantly, Cubot P80 is powered by Android 13. Cubot P80 comes with its own protective case, a TPU silicon protective case. I really like this. Cubot always offers a thank you card, and also they have even provided an extra screen protector. They have already applied a soft screen protector on the smartphone, but if you want something more rugged, then you can use this glass screen protector. Inside the box, you will also get a 18-watt charger, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and a very nice SIM ejector tool. Well, here comes our Cubot P80 512GB edition. The design is really very attractive and I really like it, especially the new colors. This design is actually a two-tone design. This two-tone color design makes it more elegant and posh. On the right, there is an independent power button, and yeah, the fingerprint sensor is also mounted on the right side. At the bottom, there is a speaker grill, primary microphone and a USB-C port. The SIM tray is actually located on the left side and volume rockers are also on the left side. Oh yeah, as we can use a TF card, we can expand the storage. But I don't know who would need to expand the storage, as we already have 512GB of storage on board. Well, as I have mentioned earlier, this Cubot P80 comes with a 6.58-inch FHD Plus panel. This is an IPS LCD panel, yet performs like an OLED panel. This display panel is really a very good one. This is not only comparable to budget OLED panels, I believe this one is even better than budget OLED panels. Colors are very vibrant, white is super bright, black is truly dark, and even under heavy studio lighting, this one has offered very good brightness. I'm also surprised to see that this one comes with a very high 399 pixel per inch density. And yeah, this display panel is capable of reproducing natural colors, yet it offers vibrancy and it looks very vivid. On top of the display panel, there is a 2.5T curved glass screen which will protect the screen from any damage. I believe consuming entertainment on this Cubot P80 is really enjoyable because this one comes with a very good loudspeaker. Talking about the speakers, let's listen to some music and you will understand how good is the performance.
She's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty letter and a straight jacket round her waist. When she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better pray that you're not worth the chase. Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. Once she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live, creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples.
Before I talk about any other performance aspect of this Cubot P80, I need to talk about the camera performance. Cubot P80 comes with a 48 megapixel main sensor, and this one has performed beyond its price tag. I have tried to take some photos of my friends with this Cubot P80 side by side with a proper mid-range camera smartphone. I should say, Considering the price of this Cubot P80, this smartphone is a gem in its class. I will let you enjoy some photos and videos by yourself along with my favorite BGM. Check carefully and you will easily understand why am I so very satisfied with the performance of this Cubot P80.
I'm decked out and I'm rolling, rolling out, no controlling. DNA ain't no hoeing, jumped in deep, never put no toe in. Stepped out and I'm growing, every day I've been growing. Never know where I'm going, and your bitch like how I'm flowing, flowing.
I don't wanna be left by the side, 'cause I cannot get you off my mind. I will never, ever let go of you.
Well, this Cubot P80 is equipped with a MediaTek Helio P60, which is a very capable SoC, and Cubot P80 has 8GB of RAM. Moreover, we can also extend the RAM with another 8GB, so that means we have access to 16GB of RAM. So yeah, gaming isn't an issue on this Cubot P80. Actually, Cubot P80 offers a very good in-game experience. I should say buttery smooth in-game experience. I have enjoyed playing games on this Cubot P80, and yeah, my girlfriend Tia actually have bought this smartphone for her, and she has been playing on this Cubot P80 for hours after hours. She has even tried to play graphics intensive games, and well, there is no thermal throttling, no issues. You will truly enjoy playing games on this Cubot P80. I have already shown you Cubot P80 comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and that works very fine. No complaint, no issues, it's fast and flawless. Okay, before I wrap up, I need to talk about the battery performance. This Cubot P80 comes with a 5200 mAh battery, which is, a bit bigger than many other smartphones, but the real life battery performance actually goes beyond the numbers. I have managed to get whopping 12 hours of screen on time from this Cubot P80 on a very busy day. So yeah, this is one of the most energy efficient smartphone that I have ever used in this price segment. And okay, if you are worried about what type of charging speed you are gonna get, I have already shown that Cubot P80 comes with a 18-watt charger inside the box, and the charger actually doesn't take a long time to refill the tank of this Cubot P80. Well, that's all about this Cubot P80. I have already used this smartphone for the past couple of weeks, and my girlfriend Thea is using this one as her primary device. That actually means a lot, because we together have access to a lot of flagship devices, and we wouldn't use a budget smartphone if that doesn't perform. Cubot P80 not only performs, now with more storage, it is one of the best entertainment device. This one performs like a beast. So yeah, if you're in the market looking for a very trendy, fashionable smartphone which also performs like a beast and doesn't break the bank, then I think you should check this Cubot P80. I have left a link of Cubot P80 in the description box. Go ahead, check the smartphone. But before that, one request. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Shit, I'm decked out and I'm rolling out, no control.